50 Shades of Gray, not so fast. Colorful rug, colorful life. At the Persian carpet, we've had a huge interest in gray and blue contemporary and transitional rugs for the last 8 to 10 years. Neutrals have always had a significant following and always will because they work anywhere. Some colors are better for certain rooms. I like cool greens and blues in a bedroom as they are soothing and relaxing. Reds are energetic and work great in living and dining areas. In the last few years, we've seen a huge uptick in the number of people wanting rich, vibrant, saturated colors. If you feel a need for bold, strong color in your life, we have it. Many of our Afghan rugs have classic, strong hues with a wonderful color balance and go well in all decors. In this case, the rug that reminds you of your grandmother's rug is a good thing. In an uncertain world, it's nice to go home to a room that radiates warmth and beauty. At the Persian carpet, we never confuse fad with fashion. We'll help you select a beautiful, quality carpet that will be in style and you will love for years to come.